Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are here to talk about another Zoom product, and this time we have the Zoom M3 MicTrak. And if you guys seen our previous videos, we've been doing some Zoom products also. So we decided to talk a little bit about this and why this microphone is so good. This stand doesn't come with it, so it's just an extra stand. I put it here for you guys to view it nicely. Zoom M3 MicTrak on-camera mic and recorder. So not every microphone out there comes with the recording capabilities. You need to have plug with the camera, or you have to have external devices to record it. So this one actually is built in, so which is a very good thing we're going to talk about. And this one is the stereo shotgun mic and 32-bit float recording. That's also something quite interesting in the microphone. Usually it comes with the 24-bit. Apart from that, what comes in the box, there is the M3 MicTrak. We have the shock mount. Then we have the windscreen, a mini cable which comes with it, and the quick tour guide. So let's move this on the side. First of all, the windshield. So this is how, because the shotgun mic, and this is the windscreen, which is quite good as well, good quality here. So it's very light. It's a mostly plastic, but a good quality plastic. Then on the top, let's say, what do we have here? On the top we have the power button, we have the stereo, we can turn it on or off, and then for how many degrees we want, we can use that. Then we have a low cut, which is 120 Hertz, and then we have a play and stop button here, and the recording button on this side. So the other thing is this jack goes to the camera itself, and then we have the USB-C port, which is a very handy thing. And then on the other side, of course, is a microphone. You want to monitor your voice also, you can add the headphone jack here and the volume button to control your headphone as well. This one works with the AA batteries. Let me take it out and show you guys how that works. And here, if you open this just like that, there is the AA batteries inside. They have the format and power on, plus on and execute things. They have put the sticker here for you guys to know what it is about. And the other part of this is this micro SD, where you can open it and you can put the micro SD in, so it can record on the spot on your camera as well on the micro SD, so you can have a backup audio file. So let's dig deep into it. We will talk all the specifications and features of this microphone. We will also put a test on it, so we will see how this one performs, and you guys can have an idea from there. This mic can record mono tracks when the stereo button is off, but it can also record stereo tracks in the 90 degrees or 120 degrees if you want to pick up the wider stereo soundscape. When set to mono, this mic captures in a super cardioid polar pattern with the maximum sound pressure input of 133 dB SPL. This means it will capture anything that is directly pointing towards while muffling out the surroundings. But the real reason the Zoom M3 is special because of its 32-bit float bit depth. Bit depth essentially indicates the max volume a recorder can take before the audio starts clipping. Most recorders use a standard 24-bit float bit depth, which provides a dynamic range of up to 144.5 decibels, but 32-bit provides up to around a massive 1528 decibel dynamic range, so you will never have to worry about being too loud when using this mic. The Zoom M3 has an edit and play software where you are able to adjust the stereo width even after recording. It can also be used as a streaming mic by connecting the USB-C cable to your PC, Mac, iOS and/or Android devices. The battery life can last up to 12 hours of use, keeping it powered for long production shoots all day long. So overall, this is a portable shotgun mic where you are able to grab and bring it around because of how light it is. It is a good staple for gamers or filmmakers out there to bring your audio up a notch. Alright guys, so time for some testing. So this is our usual setup looks like if you're going outdoor, we're doing shoots and all these things, or it's for the vlogging and all that. The whole concept here about this mic is super simple. It just one cable goes into it and then you are good to go, and super light. You don't even feel that there's a microphone on the top, so that's a good part about it. We already put the memory card inside, so we'll just turn it on. So if you guys can see, its stereo is off, means we are on the mono mode. mode, we will just talk directly to the microphone, and then there is the stereo 90 degree or 120 degree. Of course, you can turn on the low cut or you can turn it totally off. Alright, so once we press the record button, so it will start recording inside the SD card as well. What you're gonna hear is now actually is from this microphone. So now this one is on the mono mode. This is how usually we go out, do our vlogging and all these things. You can check how clear the voice is at this moment. Even if you go out, it really does a very good job. Then after that, if I change it to the stereo 90 degree mode, so this is how it's gonna be. So this is how the sound changes and all these things. Please note, we are not outside. There's no other surrounding sounds at this point, so that's why it might be very clear also. But if you want to capture more of those, you can utilize that outside. Even further more than that, we can put the 120 degrees. So let's say I have my friends here. Anand, how are you, man? How's everything? Doing good. All right. Yeah, so I hope this gives you a little bit of the idea of how you can capture the surround sounds. Then if I press the low cut, I can turn on and it will clear the voice more from any unwanted noises as well. So we stopped the recording. So back to this camera and the microphone. Actually, we are using the H6 at this point for Zoom as well. So all our videos which you see, we also use the Zoom products as well for that. Alright, so guys, I hope I have covered most of the features, and the functionality of this microphone is super amazing. And if you guys have any questions or comments about this one, do let me know in the comment section. Also let me know if you guys are using it, or what kind of challenges or what kind of things you like about it the most. Drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you or answer you with any questions you have. If you guys like the video, don't forget to drop the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.